Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer, and what you're looking at right now is a sweet potato in a jar. It's growing roots out of the bottom of the sweet potato, and it's growing shoots out of the top. I'm recording this video because right now I'm about to move a couple of the shoots over. So all I'm going to do is, let me get close up so you can see. I'm going to snap it off like that as best as I can. Seems to be on there pretty good. And then I'll just take it and put it in its own glass, because wherever this water is, that's where it'll grow roots right out of the stem. But that one's tall enough to get going. This one, even this other one over here, is also tall enough, but I'll just wait a couple more days for that. But you see there's more shoots coming out here, like that one. There's that one. There's another one over here. So yeah, there's a bunch of shoots coming out. This is the Tainung 64 sweet potato. It looks like it's going to start rotting here on this side, so yeah, I'm just going to take these until they stop producing, or until it starts rotting pretty bad, and then that's how I propagate using the actual sweet potato itself. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit, and have a good day.